Good morning guys. Ito, tignan nyo guys ang lamig sa labas. Ang lamig. Tignan nyo, nagmi-mist condensation yung ano. Wala, ma-icy talaga yung sasakyan ngayon. So, at saka doon ang icy ng grass. So, mag-get ready na tayo kasi may trabaho tayo today. Yung mga flowers ko, may ano na, bulaklak pa. Good morning guys. Icy ng sasakyan kaya we need to get ready early so we can warm it up. Let's go to work guys. So my god, it's so cold today. It's 1 degree, actually 2 degrees. So 1 degree outside. It's freezing cold. It was so icy before. Now just ice just melting now. 1 degree. Let's go guys. So we're here na guys. So ang my clinic is inside the shopping center. So every time lunchtime I always spend money. So let's go in guys and I'll show you what I do on a daily basis, but not really showing the patients, but I'll show you what I do. Let's go in. So I still got 10 minutes to go, and I got my jumper because it's very cold inside. So let's go guys. So let's go inside. So this is gonna be my clinic. Start our computer. Lunch na tayo guys. Andito tayo sa empty room. Tapos punta tayo ngayon sa Woolies. Ito fish lang yung ulam ko at saka veggies. Yummy! So andito lang tayo sa grocery shop guys. Lunch break muna tayo. Honey, $7. Ano kaya ang bili tayo ng chicken liver. So, nakapag-shopping na tayo, guys. Ito work. Back to work. Home time, guys. So, we finished our shift and that will be my last shift ever. So, uwian na tayo. Uwian na. Oh, God. Oh, so cold. It's 5 o'clock now, D. It's 5 o'clock here now, and let's go home and cook some dinner. That is basically my day. It didn't show much because we're not allowed to show patients on the vlog for confidentiality and privacy. But anyway, practice nurse guys, that's my job. I've learned a lot, like it's a good job. So yung ginagawa ko doon guys ay first, nakita nyo naman na sineset up ko yung computer para sa mga doctor, make sure na mayroong mga equipments doon, may mga yung para pang check up, my blood pressure, things like that, and make sure na computer is running smoothly. So after nyan, check ko na lang kung ano ang mga naka-assign sa akin ng mga pasyente, like for example BP check, mga weight check, at yung iba, mga immunization, mga injection like B12 injection, meron ding mga wound dressing. So, ganun. So, meron ding mga suture removal, mga ear syringing, at saka assist ng doctor sa pap smear. So, basically, yun lang yung mga ginagawa ko. Tapos, mga Medicare billing na lang ng mga na qualify sa nurse na mag-charge, yun lang. Tapos, yun na lang, guys. wala talaga masyadong ginagawa kasi dalawa lang naman yung doktor doon kanina, so hindi masyadong busy. Pero pag apat yung doktor, busy talaga siya kasi yung isang doktor gusto kang ipa-assist sa wound dressing, yung isang doktor ipa-assist ka sa biopsy, so busy talaga siya pag marami ang doktor. So far so good, dalawa lang naman yung doktor kanina, kaya okay lang. And it's a good place to learn and it's a different field of nursing, but unfortunately guys, mababa yung aking sweldo doon kumpara sa yung isang pinagtatrabahuan ko. But piniprefer ko na yung isang trabahuan ko kasi nga uuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, need natin ng more money. But I like the experience. I love the experience where it's 9 to 5 and then hindi talaga siya masyadong busy like sa ward, pero marami akong natutunan like vaccination from not really from birth but from 2 months all the way to 70 years and over. So mga vaccination sa mga ganun, at marami akong natutunan na mga contraindication, kung kailan ibigay, kung sino ang qualified sa National Immunization program, mga ganun. So maraming flu vaccines, especially now na winter, marami doon. B12 injection, meron ding Prolia injection, ano pa ba, dressing. Yun lang talaga siya. Mga vaccination ng kids. Difficult mag-vaccinate ng kids kasi wiggly sila eh. Kaya yun lang guys, yun yung experience ko dito sa clinic. So GP clinic siya. So general practice clinic. So okay naman yung work. Yung sahod nga lang hindi okay kasi nga casual nga lang ako, tapos private naman yun. So mas malaki pa rin yung sahod ng public establishment or whatever, hospital or whatever. But yeah, the experience was good. I actually learned a lot and it's a good learning experience, which is a different field, but anyway. But yeah, we can't survive with that hourly rate, so we have to weigh our options. Like it feels like I've worked too much, I work too many days but I get less money. But anyway, yun na yun guys, yun lang yung disadvantage. But thanks guys for watching anyway. So uuwi na tayo, tapos magluluto na tayo ng tea. So see you guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.